Hello, everyone. Hey you, hey you. How are you? How are you? I'm good. This is Japanese daily life and thoughts podcast. Yeah, you realize it? I changed the name podcast. Before it's this name is like chit 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 casual chit chat from Japan. Yeah, that's insane title. Okay, title. Insane title. Okay, today, well, I don't have a special topic. Well, yeah, it's winter. Winter, I always, winter, you know, I always have, coughing. Uh, like, like that. Uh, always. Since maybe I was like, since I was 16 years old, 17 years old. Yeah, from since yeah. And then now I'm 33 years old. I thought, yeah, this year I didn't, yeah, cough, but these days I started the the coughing started. But a little bit. I hope no coughing this year. Yeah, this year. Yep. Okay. Well, I don't have special topic, so I'm gonna read the dictionary, and yeah. Today I'm gonna read the C. C. Okay. Let's see. Okay. C. Let's see. CAB. 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 Uh, 1. Taxi. 2. Place where the driver sits in a bus, train, on lorry. I know this word, taxi. Yeah, taxi. In Japan, in Japanese, they say taxi. It's same, right? It sounds the same, right? Yeah. But we don't say like, hey taxi, stop, bitch. We didn't say that. Just like hand, just rise up your hand. Yeah. I always drive. Uh, I always drive car in my work. And then uh, I always irritate with the cabs. Because their driving is so wild and rough. That's why I really irritated. They are so rough. you know I'm interested with another country's cab. Please comment it and please tell me. And also, I'm glad if you point out my English skill. Like, I don't know. I don't know. You're talking. I don't understand. Please tell me, Okay. Next. Cabaret. Ca Cabaret. Cabaret. Singing and dancing. Singing and dancing provided in a restaurant or nightclub. I didn't experience like that. I didn't see it in the real life cabaret because I've never been to a nightclub. It's true. So I cannot speak this. I cannot talk about this cabaret, and I'm not interested with this cabaret. Okay, next. Cabbage. Cabbage. It means vegetable with a round head of thick green leaves. Okay. Do you like that? It's a vegetable. Well, yeah, I eat that cabbage. Yeah, like Japanese rice cake. No, okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki. Do you know that? There's many cabbage. You can try that in Japanese restaurant, okay? Okay, next. Cabin. A small room or compartment in a ship or an aircraft. Small wooden hut. Okay, cabin. Small room or compartment in a ship or an aircraft. Okay. I don't know that well. But I know that cabinet. It means piece of furniture with drawers or shelves for storing things. Okay, cabinet. Cabinet. I know that. Cabinet. Yeah, I know that. Next. Cash. Cash. Hidden store of things such as weapons. Okay. Oh, really? I thought a cash. No. It's not about money, It means hidden store of things such as weapons. What? What's that? I thought it's money. Cash. Cash. Cashew. No, I try many pronouncing. Cash. No, it's hard. Cash. Okay, never mind. Next, cackle. It means loud clucking noise that a hen makes. Loud laugh. Cackle. Loud laugh. I don't like loud laughing. Especially the woman doing loud laughing. I don't like that. Yeah, it's like, yeah, am I bad? Am I bad? Am I bad? Well, okay, it's 10 minutes. Thank you for listening. Bye next time.